Captain Brown, this is November 9240 Lima. I have Echo. Could I get progressive taxi? I'm unaware of this airport.
Coming 40 Lima, no problem, sir. And you said spot 5, correct? Coming 40 Lima, disregard, I see you there. Taxi via Kilo, that's straight ahead. Kilo, and then a right on Bravo. And then it'll be a left onto Romeo. Kilo, Bravo, Romeo.
Kilo, Bravo, Romeo.
Coming 40 Lima, affirmative, and that's runway 27 right at Romeo. Kilo, Bravo, Romeo. Coming 40 Lima, okay, you're on Charlie now, so you're going to make a left turn on Lima. The next taxiway will be Lima. Turn left there, and then cross runway 27 center at Lima. That's the runway will be crossing there. And then a right turn on Bravo. And then a left on Romeo.
2948, flight 280, 27 right, clear for takeoff.
27 right, clear for takeoff, leads 2948.
That'll be a right on Bravo, left on Romeo.
Allegiant 2948, cancel takeoff clearance, hold position, takeoff clearance.
Alright, we're canceling leads 2948.
Crewman 40 Lima, yes sir, you did. Just continue, turn
left next check.
turn right onto Alpha, that's straight ahead, turn right onto Alpha, and then just continue on Alpha.
Okay, sorry about that.
Allegiant 2948, turn left next taxiway.
Left turn next taxiway to leads 2948. We did get takeoff clearance, right?
Yeah, he just pulled right on there.
Okay, thanks.
Allegiant 2948, runway 9 or left, taxi via Bravo.
Alright, via Bravo 9 left, leads 2948. We might have to make some phone calls to their company.
Yeah, roger.
Crewman 40 Lima, possible pilot deviation. Advise you call the tower 407-330.
Here or at Lakeland?
No, definitely here. Just turn left onto Alpha 3, and then okay, see Alpha 3, it's straight ahead, that's your next left turn. That's Alpha 3, turn left there. Then turn right on Romeo. And I'll just give you progressive all the way there. Just, we'll get that number here to you in a minute.
Thank you.
Allegiant 2948, just advise when you're ready and whatever you need to do there. Hold short, runway 9 or left.
Local, hold short 9 left, leads 2948.
He'll be calling us.
Grumman 40 Lima, your next right turn will be Romeo. You can turn right on Romeo. Just hold short of runway 27 right at Romeo.
Hold short 27 right on Romeo.
Allegiant 2948, did you clear at Bravo 7 or Bravo 8 when you turned off?
Bravo 7, Allegiant 2948.
Bravo 7, okay, thank you.
Grumman 40 Lima, and just once again, sir, hold short of runway 27 right at Romeo. I just want to verify you're holding short.
I'll be holding short.
Grumman 40 Lima, I've got that telephone number for you if you're ready to copy.
Go ahead.
Grumman 40 Lima, that phone number 407-330.
Hey, Tower, leads 2948.
Allegiant 2948, go ahead.
Yeah, we're making our phone call to dispatch. It was another runway, another airplane that just taxied across the runway.
Yeah, that's affirmative, he did.